How to start your IELTS journey. Getting ready to take the IELTS International English Language Testing System can feel overwhelming. With the right approach, though, you can set yourself up for success. Whether you're aiming to study abroad, work in an English-speaking country, or simply prove your language proficiency, here's a step-by-step guide to kickstart your IELTS journey. How to 1. Understand the IELTS exam structure. The IELTS exam has 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each part has specific requirements and time limits. Familiarize yourself with the format. Listening, 30 minutes with 4 sections and a variety of question types. Reading, 60 minutes covering 3 passages with tasks varying in complexity. Writing, 60 minutes with 2 tasks, a descriptive task and an essay. Speaking, 11 to 14 minutes with a face-to-face interview focusing on fluency and coherence. 2. Set clear goals. Identify your target band score. Scores typically range from 0 to 9, with most universities and immigration services setting specific requirements. Knowing your target score can help you focus on the skills that need improvement. 3. Choose between IELTS Academic and General Training. There are 2 versions of IELTS, Academic, for students applying to study at an English-speaking university, for those applying for work experience, training programs, or immigration. Choose the test that aligns with your goals to ensure you're preparing for the right format. 4. Create a study schedule. Dedicate consistent study hours each day or week to ensure steady progress. Break down your study time to focus on each section of the IELTS test. Listening practice. Use IELTS listening exercises or authentic materials like podcasts. Reading practice. Read academic articles or high-level English materials. Writing practice. Practice writing essays or summaries. Speaking practice. Practice speaking in English with friends or even solo by recording yourself. Nahajar 5. Use authentic IELTS study materials. Invest in reputable study materials such as official IELTS practice books. These contain authentic test materials. IELTS prep apps. Apps like IELTS Prep by the British Council provide additional practice. Online courses and websites. Many platforms offer quality practice materials and mock tests. 6. Take practice tests regularly. Taking practice tests under timed conditions helps you get comfortable with the format. Focus on areas where you lose marks and track your improvement over time. 7. Get feedback on your writing and speaking. If possible, get feedback on your writing and speaking sections. Practice these with teachers, tutors, or online resources that provide assessments. 8. Stay consistent and patient. Preparing for IELTS is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick to your study schedule and keep practicing. Improvement takes time, and consistency will help you reach your goals. Starting your IELTS journey can be challenging, but with a solid plan and consistent practice, you'll be on your way to achieving the score you need.